I've been invited down to Wimbledon Stadium today for the launch of Showdown. Had a little play with a new game earlier, did a bit of Demolition Derby, some 8-ball. Then got invited into that truck over there, 2.5 litre turbo diesel Mitsubishi for our own Demolition Derby. It's the most fun I think I've ever had in a car. Rear wheel drive, all that power. I remember driving up to a transit van and just thinking, I can smash this guy. Just kept going. It was like I was in a computer game. And I'm buzzing. I want to do it again, to be honest. They've just sent the cars back out and I wish I was in it. I'm going to go back and play the game again to try and relive it.